Can you believe it? The big spider in front of me. It turned out that the two brothers did not use any luxury Dabeno built by hand in 30 days. 5:66 in the morning, the brothers found this piece. Desolate feng shui treasure land. Say nothing. They started digging hard into the ground. Soon, deep holes appeared in the ground. Then the brothers carried a heap of sturdy timber, one by one, into the hole. This is the nautical needle of the house. To make it easier to build, they first built a simplified version of the staircase. This is followed by the construction of the framework. Every inner section needs to be stabilized. The two brothers are indeed experienced drivers. That's skillful technique, exquisite craftsmanship. It's breathtaking. The main frame is gradually taking shape. Like a giant spider, it's starting to show his silhouette. Then they brought in bundles of bamboo, reinforced the frame. I have two. These guys are awesome. If you think they are great too, you might as well like and support them. As time goes by, the bamboo slices are finally laid. The next step is to play the mud part. Two brothers use hands and feet. Blend the licorice with the clay thoroughly, then apply it evenly to the frame. Without 30 years of experience playing with mud, it's difficult to complete such a large workload. Every place is polished smooth and translucent. No room for flaws. And when they were done, they dug turf and they spread it around the pool to enhance the appearance of the house. And they brought in all these colorful paints. Be creative. Heifer flies. It's amazing. Beautiful word. To ensure the waterproofing of the swimming pool, they smeared cement on the inside. And when it's done, painted a dreamy blue. The last thing is to fill the pool with water. The brothers carry a chamber to draw water from the creek and pour it into the pool. I don't know how long it has been. The pool is finally full. The two of them couldn't wait to jump into the water, swim up. At this moment, they feel that all the previous efforts were worth it. Hard work pays off.